This is the Kasori iconic stainless steel air fryer, a 6.5 quart air fryer that was the Red Dot winner of 2025. You can expect an air fryer of this size to feed up to 3 to 5 people, and it can reach temperatures of 450 degrees. I'm super excited that I was sent this for this video because we're going to thoroughly test it out to see whether or not it's worth buying. When you first open up the box, you're going to be greeted with the quick start guide. Inside of there, you're also going to have the user manual and the recipe book. And there's actually some pretty solid recipes inside this book. I was very impressed when I started to go through it. Following that, we have the rack that goes on the bottom of the air fryer. And then underneath this big piece of styrofoam, we have the air fryer itself. As far as physical features go, they keep it pretty simple because of the unibody design. So we do have a push lock button here for the 6.5 quart basket. Of course, you can install the rack inside there if you want to. It does have rubber feet so it stays in place. And then you can just slide it back and it will automatically lock. Beyond that, we do have the touch controls on the top. When you first turn it on, it's going to be in standby mode, and we can click on the power button to turn it on. We have a start and stop button. We have a shake button, which is pretty cool. And then we have 6 different heating options, starting over here with air fry. It starts off at 10 minutes, 350 degrees, and a fan speed of 5. Of course, we can change that temperature up and down. We can change the time. If we go over to roast, it starts at 400 degrees at 12 minutes. You can do the same thing, raise it, lower it, depending on your recipe. Bake starts at 330 degrees at 20 minutes. Dry is at 135 for 6 hours. Proof is going to be 90 degrees at 60 minutes and a fan speed of 1. And then we have reheat, fan speed of 4, 390 degrees, 5 minutes. And of course, all of this can be controlled from the app if you don't want to use these physical buttons. It uses the VSync app, and all you have to do is click on the plus icon up here to add the device. It found the device. Now all I have to do is just press and hold on the power button for 5 seconds until it starts blinking, and then it will automatically connect. Inside of the app, there's quite a bit that we can do. We can go down here to the cooking functions tab, and we can control every single button on the air fryer. Whether that be the air fryer mode, the roasting mode, the baking mode, dry, proof, or reheat mode. You can select the temperature and the time. And once you found something that you like, you can send the settings directly to the air fryer. Below that, we have the cooking chart, which gives you all of your different meats, veggies, and different things. So we could click on beef here. And if we're cooking a hamburger patty, we click on that. And if we want it to be well done, we can click on that button there. Select our serving size, and it will give us the exact cook mode, the temperature, the cook time, as well as some chef's tips and some notes that we can add. Once you're ready, you click cook it, and it will send those settings to the air fryer. Up at the top here, we have the diet tab, which you can go through and check out all of the different recipes that Cosori offers. And if you want to cook one of them, you could just click on it and it'll give you step-by-step directions on how to air fry this specific meal. There are quite a lot of categories, anywhere from breakfast to dinner to meal planning to meals for one, appetizers, sides, you name it, you could probably find a recipe in here. Beyond that, we have scan to cook. So if you bought any kind of prepackaged meal, you could scan the barcode on it and it will automatically send the directions straight to the air fryer so you can start cooking it. We also have a history tab of what you've cooked and an achievements tab going through different achievements that you can make while using the air fryer. And finally, we have all of your how-to and guide videos down there at the bottom, and you can watch all of these to learn how to use the air fryer or make specific recipes. For our air fryer food test, we are going to be cooking up these jalapeno cheese wontons. I can go ahead and use the scan to cook function on the barcode, and then it gives me the nutritional facts as well as I need to cook these for 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll go ahead and split the difference and cook them for 6 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll go ahead and take this out, and I am going to use the rack for these wontons. But before we actually put these in the air fryer, it looks like we have to preheat it for 5 minutes before cooking. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. I'll put the temperature at 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and I'll start the preheating. Now that the preheating is done, let's go ahead, open this up. It's a little bit warm in there, and we'll put all of these cheese wontons inside of the basket. And we still have plenty of room inside of there. We fit all of those wontons, no problem. We'll go ahead and put these back into the air fryer here. We will hit the power button We'll do 6 minutes at 350 degrees, and we'll go ahead and start it. What are you doing? The wontons just ended, so let's go ahead, pop this open, take a look, and those look like they have been perfectly browned and cooked. I'm super excited to eat these. I can hear them crackling, and we have the perfect golden brown around the outside. Now that we've gone through all the features and actually tested out this air fryer, I can honestly recommend this to anyone looking for a mid-size air fryer that really does cook food to perfection. Because it uses the fan to spread the heat on the inside, it cooks all around your food, top, bottom, and sides, leaving you with pretty delicious meals if you choose the right foods. I honestly love the unibody and the stainless steel look. I believe it looks really good. And having recipes inside the recipe book and the app also make this really simple to create a dinner when you have no plans beforehand. If you're in the market for a new air fryer, definitely give the Cosori Iconic a look. I think it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name is David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.